Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the wireless module, loosen the 2 captive screws on the rear of the base cover. Remove the 5 other screws and pry the cover off the system. Find and unplug the battery cable. Identify and unlatch the wireless module. Remove the screw securing it. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the wireless module, place it back in the system. Reconnect the cables and relatch the module. Tighten the 2 screws and install the latch to secure the module. Plug in the battery cable and secure the base cover with the 7 total screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.